Good morning, everybody. It's another gorgeous day in the fabulous and beautiful historic Ole Valley, and I have three wonderful boxes. It says anthology, but it could be anything from Windham. So let's just see what we have. Ooh, this looks like a Batik line. I believe this is called, this is Jack. I can never say her name, like Jackie DeJong, but it's Be Colorful. This is her latest Batik collection. It's all about butterflies and flowers, and I found it to be absolutely irresistible, and I hope you do too. So if you're ready for a happy, springy, pinky purpley quilt, this is your baby. Okay, and this one, let's see if we have a name for it. They just have style numbers. It doesn't look like it has a name, but the color is taffy, I can tell you that much. All of these fabrics are on our website, ladyfingersewing.com, and of course here in the shop. This one is also called, I guess this is the color taffy, and the line, it looks like it's just called Be Colorful. It doesn't have a collection name on it, and it's been too long, so I don't quite remember. Yeah, it doesn't tell me that. Anyway, here we go. Here's a really pretty spring cloud morning looking called Powder. Really pretty flower, almost like Queen Anne's lace. And here's a shell pattern in lilac. Aren't these gorgeous? And some beautiful, looks like snowflakes in lilac. Okay, let's go on to the next box. Okay, box number 2. I'm assuming this is the same collection. Let's see. These batiks are done in Bali, and they are, I'm still not finding the collection name. Anyway, this is still the same designer, Jackie, and another pretty, looks like spent dandelion flowers in pink. Beautiful purple butterfly. We'll be doing fat quarter bundles in all of these, so that makes life easy for you. You can get a little bit of everything until you decide what to do with it all. This is plum. And another in dark purple with flowers, very nice. Slightly darker than the one I just showed you. And here's a nice mix of purple and pink in a shell design. And this one is called Princess. I have a granddaughter or two who would love this collection. And this one is in purple. Okay. Okay, and the third and final box of this wonderful collection. Oh, look at this. How cute. Little bunny rabbits and eggs in baskets for spring. So cute and pretty. Plan ahead. Next Easter will be here before you know it, right? Isn't this adorable? And some really cute clovers in a light green and also a dark green. Happy and fun. A beautiful blue and purple turquoise. And a patriotic, ooh, look at this. What's better than a patriotic hexagon? Come on, guys. This kind of goes pretty perfectly with the, remember last week's unboxing of the Batik collection that was all patriotic. This would be a perfect accompaniment for that. And some, oh, that's right, this is all holidays, that's right. So here we go. This is Cinco de Mayo, a wonderful yellow with hats and cacti and maracas. And looks like Mother's Day, Mom, and hearts. Really sweet. Another mom in a really pretty blush pink. And remember, Mom upside down is wow. And another fiesta style batik. So that's all for now. Follow us on our YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and like us on Facebook, and by all means shop at ladyfingersewing.com and in the store. Thanks for watching.